Alright, YouTube. Today I'm gonna be doing a high taper with like a wood one on top, like a 6. Yeah. Like a 6 on top. It's gonna be a little tutorial for y'all. First. So we're gonna be going against the grain. Ah, boy. What you got in there? Oh, I can't have no music. We're gonna be debulking with the 2. Just flick out. I'm not going digging, you know. Flick out, boy. I like to go all the way up with the shaver. I feel like it just leaves it that cleaner look. Like when they look at you like eye to eye, like just on the sides. Like I don't know, y'all see right now. It does leave a harsh ass guideline. That shit. I mean, at first it is hard to take out, but I don't know. It takes a little more work, but. Right now, moving on to the next step. I'm coming with lever open, no guard. And then I just like to stretch it out towards here and start bringing it back down. Just to keep that darkness. Alright guys, now for our next step, we're gonna come in with the 1 guard. And just do the guideline. Don't do it as big as the first guideline to keep the darkness. I mean, you could, either or, preference. That's how I do it. After that, we're gonna come back with our 2 guard. And just right now, we're really gonna be flicking out, you know, we're not gonna go straight. So flick it out lightly, but make sure you're actually cutting hair, you know. You don't wanna just... Next, we're gonna be coming in with our lever all the way closed. Be hitting that line. I wasn't recording the whole thing, but I came back with my trimmer and just get out the little traces of the line. That shit does take a little longer, but I don't know, it's worth it. Just get out all the little dark dots. The taper will be coming along nicely. Now coming in with our 1.5. You're gonna start flicking at the next, more like the dark area, just to lighten up the taper. But don't go too high, because remember, or at least me, I'm trying to keep it dark. Because you don't like those high tapers that are just light, you know. So we'll be coming in with our 1 guard. See a little kind of like line darker spot. Start hitting that. Close, open your lever as needed. Line that taper up real quick. As you can see, that taper is coming along. As you guys can see, that taper is coming along nicely. Yeah, well, here we got the back. Here we got the other side. Look at that taper. Okay, boy. And moving on to his lineup. This is definitely going to be challenging. And I might not even post the other part, but look at them tapers, bruh. Sheesh. Alright, so you ready for your lineup, man? How we feeling?
Pretty clean, fresh.
Alright. I see that taper. Like, I mean, that's what happens when you come to cruise. Alright, you're gonna pull and you see all these little hairs. You know, me and my boy actually have some history when I first started cutting them up. What happened, Josh?
I kind of forgot to cut behind the ears.
Yeah, bro, so like it happens. I know my boy was about to expose me at school and shit. Huh? Yeah, I left long ass fucking hairs on. I don't know. It's because back then I was a little bit more blind, you know? But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this high taper tutorial / buzz. I think it's pretty clean. I'm about to peep the other side. That shit is clean too. Yeah, we don't use no filters, none of that. All natural, huh, Josh? Yups. And when they're Look down a little bit, sir. You know, I went a little. Oh, shit. Damn. Okay, I was kicking. Damn, YouTube. Josh.
So you gonna leave that in or what?
Yeah, I'm never making YouTube videos again, bro. Damn, I'm kind of sad right now. That mirror was like $60. You guys better like, comment, look down. There goes my whole mirror. My MacBook could have fucking fucked up. Okay, still works. No. Alright, but anyways, that's besides the point. Make sure you guys comment down below what y'all think about this high taper. I think it came out pretty fire on my boy. Look at him. Ah, look at that blend, bro. Like, what filters? We don't use no filters, huh, Josh? No paint, none of that. Look at it. Every angle, bro. Every angle. Ah, trying to hide that smile, boy. GG, my mirror.